This is how you paint this flower and bee, just using this.
I'll say this over and over again. Once you realize you're just painting shapes, you'll be able to paint anything. For this first shape that we're painting, it looks a lot like this yellow squash. Starts skinnier on the left side and then gets thicker on the right side. Then let it dry completely. Grab a black color with less water and paint the very tip of it all black. This will be the bee's head. It looks like a smashed banana right now. And to add a line, I did paint strokes going down so it was a little jagged. And then I repeated this step again for another line for the bee. You want these lines to be imperfect and a little jagged to look realistic. I added 2 lines to the front with diagonal lines going out on the bottom, 2 other smaller lines. Then I added another line going towards the right side, and those will be the legs. I grabbed a really light gray color and did a rainbow arch shape connecting to the bee. I filled it in, rounded out the top of it. Then I did another oval shape connecting to the bee and made sure it was filled in as well. I left some white space on purpose so it could look a little translucent. Then I outlined these wings with the black. You can see the paint was still a little bit wet, so that's why it's spreading out. But honestly, I wanted it to spread out a little bit like that. Then I added some lines to the center of the wing. Now onto the flower. You can see I'm doing a triangular shape with rounded corners, making some of them thicker and some of them skinnier. If they're more towards the edge, they will be skinnier. I made sure the top of these shapes were a little bit darker. And I did a little yellow rainbow arch above the flower, mix the brown with a yellow, and fill in half of the circle. Then I tapped brown dots on it, painted a green line going down for the stem. For the leaf, you can see I drew a line up and drew another line connecting to it, making them both look a little bit different. And then I added a few highlights with my white pen. And that's all.